Freightliner single axle day cab tractor here at Arthur Trophy and Sons. 12.8 liter Detroit 410, 500 horse. Looks like Fuller 10 speed behind that. 12,000 pound front axle. Let's take a quick walk around, see what we got going on. Cab and nose looking pretty good for you. Steer tires holding on tight. Back of the cab from what I can see is good. Air jammers there. Dual fuel tanks for you. Back tires looking pretty tall. Frame's holding good. Some surface rust, nothing too bad. Airbags holding air. DEF underneath the driver's door like normal. Stick your head on in. Fuller 10 speed. Working AC is present for you. Pretty nice truck for you. Looks like everything's good to go on it. Lights okay, washers, wipers, city horn, blower good. ABS light is not present. Looks like no check engine light either going on. So come on by to Arthur Trophy and Sons. Sorry, hang tight here. Let's get that to go away. Come on by Arthur Trophy and Sons, where we're gonna throw you a great deal.